Good evening to all. I am Subramanian, working as an assistant professor in Automobile Department at SNS College of Technology. We are seeing about the different types of welding. In this welding, you are going to see a typical welding, that is green welding technology for sustainability. The name also indicates the green welding technology, and it's also used for sustainability. It will be having a good strength. So as the name indicates, the welding also will be in a color green color itself. It is environmental free. That is, the green welding technology are increasingly being adopted to meet the growing demands for the sustainable manufacturing practices. As industries strive to reduce their environmental impact, traditional welding methods, which often consume significant energy and produce harmful emissions, are being reevaluated. Green welding technologies prioritize energy efficiency, reduce waste, and the use of the environmentally friendly materials, contributing to sustainable industrial practices across the various sectors. One of the primary innovations in green welding technology is development of the energy efficient process. Traditional arc welding methods such as gas metal arc welding GMAW. Traditional arc welding methods such as gas metal arc welding, that is gas welding you see usually, or shielded metal arc welding, that is SMAW, usually says metal arc welding process, consume substantial amount of electricity and generate heat that leads to wasted energy. Newer techniques like laser welding technology and friction stir welding are more energy efficient. Laser welding uses focused beams of light to achieve the high quality of welds with the minimal energy consumption, while friction stir welding uses mechanical friction to join materials without the welding them, reducing the energy usage significantly. But here, the adoption of welding technologies that minimize the harmful emissions is also central to the green welding. For example, laser welding and electron beam welding generate fewer emission compared to traditional arc welding, which produces harmful fumes and gases. Additionally, clean fluxes and the shielding gases are being developed to reduce the environmental footprint of the welding process. Waste reduction is another critical aspect of sustainable welding. Additive manufacturing or 3D printing in the welding enables the creation of components with minimal material waste, unlike traditional subtractive manufacturing, where excessive material is often discarded. Traditional techniques such as wire arc welding manufacturing, as arc welding, allow for the efficient use of materials by building the parts layer by layer, reducing scrap and excess metal cost. Robotic automation in welding also contributes to the sustainability. Robotic automation in the welding also contributes to sustainability by improving precision, reducing material wastage, and minimizing the network. Automation ensures consistent weld quality, which reduces the need for additional repairs or corrections, leading to fewer wasted resources. In conclusion, green welding technology play a vital role in advancing sustainable manufacturing practices by adopting energy efficient process, reducing emission, minimizing the waste, and leveraging advanced automation Industries can significantly lower their environmental impact while maintaining the productivity and weld quality. And this is we see about the green. This is we see about the green welding techniques for sustainability. In the next section we see about the another welding technology. Thank you.